Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ZEBRONICS Zeb-Rush premium gaming headphone. You can see what the headphone actually looks like. There's a photo of it right on top. There's a lot of information on it. It's written here, gamer's dream. This particular headphone is designed specifically for gamers. It has RGB LED on it. It comes with dual 3.5mm connectors, has braided cable. It also comes with 40mm drivers. I would leave it here. I'm going to do this part again. It comes with 40mm drivers, and there is a diagram over here of the USB cable, two 3.5mm jacks, and your volume rocker over here as well. Okay, some information this side. Okay, dual to single pin converter in the box. Okay, dual to single pin converter comes with this box. It's a great touch. More information this side, dual to single pin converter, padded headband, extra soft air cushion, volume controller, lightweight and comfortable, adjustable mic on off switch is there as well. The package contains headphone and 2-in-1 adapter. Let's just open this box and take a look at the content. That's one. And there we are. That's it. This is what we have inside the box. Okay, so this is the blue variant. It's pretty large. Okay, yeah. This is the blue variant. This is quite large. It has a plastic body, but it's regardless very large. It's over-ear design and has soft ear cushions as well. Okay, it has a metallic chassis inside, as you can see. Expandable chassis, which is great. And this is the mic for this, yeah. This is the mic that swivels only in one direction, but that's okay. You have a mic right over here. The mic is flexible as well, so you can, shape it according to your need. What else do we have? Okay, let's take a look at the volume rocker first. This is your volume rocker, and this is the lock key for the mic as well. So see, this is your volume rocker. And this locks the mic functionality, so you can unlock it and lock it to your preference. So there are two 3.5mm jack, one for the mic and one for the earphones. And this is the 3.5mm adapter that comes with. So you can attach it to one, and now you can attach it to one 3.5mm port basically. And on the other end, we have a USB-A connector as well. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ZEBRONICS Zeb-Rush premium gaming headphone. Thank you for watching.